Welcome to Arab Business, brought to you by Levant TV. Morocco's planning agency said that the country's economic growth fell to an annual rate of 2.7% in the last quarter of 2014, but could get to 4.1% in the first quarter this year with the increase in agricultural output. The Moroccan government expects growth to be at 4.4% in 2015 after dropping to 2.5% in 2014. It also seeks to decrease the budget deficit to 4.3% of GDP this year from an estimated 4.9% last year. Lebanon's Industry Ministry Hossein Haj Hassan said he was planning to gradually impose customs duties on certain imported commodities in order to protect the Lebanese industrial sector. Haji Hassan argued that the government's role was to facilitate the export of Lebanese products and not to remove obstacles facing foreign imports, adding that this will also limit trade deficit, which reached $16.7 billion last year and which constitutes a third of Lebanon's GDP. Egypt's Supplies Minister Khalid Hanafi says stock of wheat for its subsidies bread program will last until the first week of May, well into the start of the local harvest after it's bought 180,000 tons this week. Egypt is the world's largest wheat importer, said on Thursday it had bought 180,000 tons of French wheat in a tender for shipment February the 8th to the 18th. Egypt has bought 3.085 million tons of wheat on the international market since July the 1st, the start of the fiscal year. Oman's Ministry of Tourism says Oman attracted more than 701,000 visitors from the Gulf Cooperation Council countries in the first 9 months of last year. Oman is one of the top destinations for shore breaks amongst GCC tourists, having registered a 17% growth in GCC visitor numbers at the end of the third quarter last year. According to the statement, the Omani government's measures to sustain the country's tourism sector's growth has complemented this increase. And Dubai's financial market announced that the value of shares bought by foreign investors or non-UAE nationals from January the 4th to the 8th reached about 1.7 billion UAE dirhams, while value of stocks they sold stood at 1.71 billion, with net foreign investment on the market reaching 39.6 million during the period as aggregate buy. And value of shares bought by foreign investors comprised 51.1% of the total value of stocks traded during the last 5 years, while value of stocks sold by foreign investors during the same period represented 49.9% of the stocks traded during the period. And for more updates, please visit us on levant.tv. That was it for today. We'll be back with you on Monday with some more from the business world in the Middle East. Bye for now.